We were called witches, but what we truly were wise ones. Keepers of herbs, of stars, of birth and of death. We listened to the language of the wind. We spoke with rivers and trees. We healed with touch, with prayer, with light. The world was not yet ready to understand. Yet our wisdom remained, carried through the ages, woven into the earth, sleeping in our blood, waiting to be remembered. Now that memory awakens. Every breath, every heartbeat calls us back to truth. With every breath I release the pain. With every breath I let the past dissolve. With every breath I forgive and remember love. I let the healing light flow through every cell. I ground myself in Gaia's loving embrace. I reconnect with the divine wisdom within. I am safe and whole. The time has changed. The energies have softened and opened. The fire that once destroyed now purifies. The voices that once trembled now sing again. The world is awakening, and it remembers that your power is sacred. Your intuition is pure. Your independence is holy. This is the turning of the tide, the return of trust, of gentleness, of the sacred balance. Healing flows through every cell of your being. Peace fills your mind, your heart, your body. You are safe and protected now. The pillar of light stands strong within you. The same flame that once consumed now illuminates your homecoming. You are safe here. You are loved here. You are free to be seen. Your light is welcome. Your truth is powerful. Your heart is open. Your presence blesses the earth. Rise, sister. Remember, brother. The wisdom you carry is the medicine of this new earth. Your gifts are blessings. Your presence is needed. Your voice is sacred. Create, heal, shine. For the time of hiding has passed. It is safe to be seen.